That's the speedometer and the fuel gauge.
Hey,
What?
didn't move myself.
Hello baby. Open the sunroof.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, that's very fast.
Turn on AC's quick warming mode.
No,
Hey,
no. Don't listen to my wife.
Ready to cruise slightly.
The Aion Y Plus, Vincar EV's answer to BYD's offerings. At the time of filming, this was the cheapest EV you could buy in Singapore, but doesn't mean you get what you pay for. A while back, I had the Y Plus for a few days, and I'll be sharing my thoughts later. But for now, I have some other ideas.
As you guys have seen before, I drive a Mazda RX-8, a 1.3-litre NA-powered car that sounds something like this. So when Vincar EV reached out to me to do a review on their GAC Aion Y Plus Premium, I thought this would be a great opportunity to introduce my parents and embarrass them on YouTube. Now, I haven't told you guys anything about today yet, and I haven't told you guys how the car works. I've told them nothing, basically. All I'm going to do is pass you the keys, and we're going to try and have a normal Sunday.
Okay, this is easy enough. Okay. Why does the dashboard look so different? That's the speedometer and the fuel gauge. How come there's
Fuel
two?
gauge, it's an EV.
Why are there two iPads? How to start driving this thing?
So for some context, my parents' driving experience is limited to the Honda Jazz that we've had for the last 6 years. And a Nissan Lancia, so this should be interesting.
Okay, let me see. There's a clutch and brakes, that's the same.
Clutch and brake.
Right?
We're off to a good start.
No handbrake. Where's the handbrake?
Are you genuinely trying or do you not know?
I really do not know where's the handbrake. Okay, this one's okay.
Too short.
No, let me try to slide.
I don't think you can see the front of the road.
Huh? Okay, then I make myself higher.
It's an electric chair, I'll give you a hint.
Oh, like this? So once I open the car door, the car starts.
Maybe?
Is this adjusted? Do I adjust like this? Why is the mirror black?
Auto tinting. And so that's one of the features of the GAC Aion Y Plus. It's so that like when you have very glaring lights behind you, the rear view mirror auto dims so that it's not so bright.
Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one. Let me figure out how to. Okay, that's left. Oh, so this is the wiper. Oh, so this is high beam. Very important button. Everything is on the left, so what does the right do? Then what's R, N, and D? D is drive. Oh, reverse and neutral. Oh, I see.
I'm used to the right side being the signal.
Yeah.
I'll just engage reverse.
Now obviously there's like protections and safeties that don't allow you to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess there's no speedometer, so I find out how fast I'm driving through the screen.
It does say 0 kilometers per hour on that
I know,
side.
I know.
So
Oh,
it's
so it's
digital.
this side.
It's digital.
I see.
So you can press buttons to change your view. Because the Aion Y Plus doesn't come with wireless Apple CarPlay, Vincar provides this unit, wireless Apple CarPlay. So it mirrors your phone on the screen. Can go press home here. It'll bring you to this is what it looks like from the factory.
So can I set like the
Yeah,
place
you
that I
can.
want to go? Okay, let me try.
So it very nicely tells you how much range you'll have after you reach the different destinations.
Okay. Wait, I just realized that this is an electric car. So there's no need for fuel gauge.
Yeah, but you do need a remaining battery
Okay.
level, which you can see here, bottom left.
So this is 55%.
Yeah, 55% battery
And I can
left.
drive 238 kilometer more.
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is how I adjust the aircon. It's really cold. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so I can fan speed. Is this a fan speed? What's panoramic image?
It shows you the external view of the car.
Oh.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Everything now in these modern cars is controlled through the center display.
Ah, okay. Oh, you mean this? You can close all windows through here.
Yep.
Oh, there's a sunroof. How do you open the sunroof?
Hey, don't play the sunroof lah.
Oh.
ask you to adjust mirror, you go and open the sunroof.
Oh, that's cool. I like that. Okay, I'll take this one. Maybe this one. Then,
Wow.
okay, nothing looks like it's happening. Oh, I see. So I start driving now.
If you're ready.
Okay. So I start driving by going down. Right?
So you can see it's now in D.
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
Drive it as you would a normal car.
Ah,
You drive. Press button.
You got it.
Oh, I see. Okay. So no handbrake.
Nope. It's an electronic parking brake.
Okay, I'm getting
watch
out.
out for car. Hey. Why
What?
do you move by yourself?
Huh?
Allow you to get in more easily, and once you've sat down, the thing will move forward.
I have the button.
Oh yeah, you are a bit against it. So have you ever felt the acceleration of an EV?
No.
Since you have a clear road, we would suggest you put the foot down and see how it feels like.
Oh, that's very fast to get up to 70.
So there is a feature on EVs called one pedal drive, which is where, because in EVs the brakes are used to regenerate power and get power back into the battery, when your car is slowing down and not on acceleration, it uses that opportunity to recover battery. So there is a way to turn it on. I'll just do that for you. So energy set to high. So this I-pedal mode is basically one pedal drive. When you lift off, the car will brake a lot. So it can basically allow you to drive the car with one leg.
Before I know it, I'm already 70 plus on this road.
So it's this menu. And you have the different drive modes here.
Okay.
So there is a voice assistant in this car. You can tell it to do a lot of things, but the only way that you can do it and activate the voice assistant is to call it baby.
Baby.
No, you have to say hello.
Hello, baby.
What can I do for you?
Can you open the sunroof?
Okay, open the sunroof for you.
Oh,
Sorry, I didn't hear you clearly. Please say that again.
Close the sunroof.
Okay, close the sunroof for you.
hey, he's eating into my
That's
lane.
cool.
Okay, turn on AC's quick warming mode.
No,
Hey,
no.
no.
No, you said it's too cold or something like that, so it turned on the heating
I
and
say it's cool.
so it turned on all the heating and everything to maximum. You can open all the windows.
No,
You can open the trunk as well.
no, not when you're driving. Hey, baby. Hello, baby.
What can I do for you?
Change the aircon temperature to 24 degrees centigrade.
Okay, the current air conditioning temperature is 24 degrees.
Yeah, see? Use your plane
The air
there.
conditioning has already been at on, but music control is not supported yet.
Sorry.
Oh, that's
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Please say that again.
Don't listen to my wife.
Music control is not supported yet.
So a feature of EV cars, they know that this is a problem, is that they give you a way to find nearby chargers in their own map. So if you see, if you had routed, it would have shown you EV charging points at your destination.
Aren't these buttons charging?
Nope.
ask baby.
Hello, baby.
What can I do for you?
Where is the nearest EV charging point?
Found more than one result. Please tell me which one to navigate to. Choose.
Hey, I need the horn, horn
Sorry,
people.
I didn't hear you
Yeah, where's the
clearly.
horn? Where's the
Please
horn?
say
I mean, where's
that
the horn? The
again.
horn is where it's always been.
In the middle, in the middle.
Is the EV.
It's on the right over there.
How big is the fuel tank thing?
There's not a fuel tank. This car has a bunch of batteries. that keeps it charged
So,
and with electricity.
so how many kilometers can the car go on a full tank?
Full battery.
Yeah.
It will go about 500-ish.
I think can be a bit more.
The red line is when.
Some more.
No, the red line is where your tailgate will open until. So you have a 3D overhead view here if you want to see.
Ah, oh, that's useful. Oh, I hit the line already. Okay.
Park.
D.
Oh,
No.
park. P.
You put it into cruise control.
Waiting for cruising. Hey, up or down?
Press the button.
What button? Hey, I really don't know where is the.
It's the same one where you put drive and
Okay. I say R and D.
Stop. Press right at the end. At the end
Okay,
there's
okay.
a button. Yes. Aiyo.
How to stop the car?
It stopped already.
Yeah, but you need to switch it off, right? Okay, wait.
Okay,
You
I
say
know.
everything is on the panel of my car. No.
Hello, baby.
What can I do for you?
Switch off the car.
Okay, temperature is already decreased slightly.
You are the one with the car key. Is this the car key?
Yeah, you just go out and close
There
the
must be
door.
an off.
No need to off, just go out.
This feels weird. Yeah. It's not shutting down. It's still on. It's not on. Okay, off. Hey, why is the door open?
I don't know, you just stand near it, what?
AC on again.
No, cannot.
Sometime later.
Hey Siri.
Yeah?
Scan QR code with SPF.
Who got SPF?
Oh, why did I have it before?
Pay utilities, same app.
No.
My phone's working now. You can use mine instead.
Okay. Start charging. Start charging. $50.
Do not rhyming.
Oh,
See?
I heard something.
So unplug it.
Is there a
What?
button?
Is it locked?
Yeah.
Where's the key?
Me. Unlock.
Unlock EV. No. Unlock the lock. Unlock the charge.
Oh, we didn't see that just now.
You go and sit in the car for like 5
Oh.
minutes. It's now charging at 198 amps at 403 volts. So this is one of the fastest chargers that you can actually use to charge your car in Singapore. The other one would be a 200 kilowatt charger, but only Shell Recharge has those, so those are the fastest.
Why is Shell, a petrol company, doing electrical charging?
To sum up, although it was fun messing with my parents, the Y Plus has everything you need in an A to B machine. From the ventilated seats to a huge sunroof, parking cameras all around and decent range. It's the perfect starter EV for people looking to take their first step into electric cars. My only complaint would be the software. It lacks the polish and user-friendliness of competitors like BYD and has a long way to go before catching up with giants like BMW. But then again, that's not what the Y Plus is about. It's unashamedly a great EV econobox, and it does that really well.